Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hi guys, I am on an island in Alaska, and my beautiful rainforest behind me is just amazing on this day. It's just beautiful. It's a little foggy, so it's a little mysterious, and I'm up in the forest, and you can hear the construction going on because, you know, winter's around the corner, so they have to get the road work done, right? So that's what you're hearing, and I'm sure you'll hear my birds and all those beautiful things that I love so much about living on an island, a rainforest island. So what I have to tell you, exciting news. I made $1,000 today. $1,000 in one day. Isn't that awesome? I mean, I have this consistent income, and I made money my first week out of the gate with Successful Solution Method. I mean, working from home as an entrepreneur has never been better. Actually, beautiful. And I started earning my first week, and I continue to earn consistently, which is the incredible thing that I started out, and now I have this consistent income that has changed everything. I mean, it would for you, right? If you had a consistent income. And I'm telling you what, I didn't need any skills or experience or selling. In fact, we have a sales team that takes care of the selling, so isn't that awesome? And really, you know, when you think about it, most businesses fail. Online businesses fail because people don't have traffic. They don't have people looking at their business. So you don't have to worry about that because we have all of that. And yet you learn this skill, and you learn it while you're earning, which is amazing. The training is top of the line training. I've been marketing online for 30 years, and I have never seen this kind of training. Simple, easy to execute, and you can see the results right out of the gate, really. In your first week or two, you can see the training that you apply is working. And, you know, a lot of times you get in businesses that have training, but let's be honest, that it's outdated training, right? It's not working. You know, it's kind of like it's a puzzle to figure out how you make it work. Well, ours doesn't have any of that. It's not a puzzle. Our team is exploding, and Amanda has created this during the pandemic. Now, isn't that incredible? During the pandemic, she wanted to find a way people could earn money because people were hurting. People are hurting now. People are really struggling in 2020. And so this business model that Amanda created is perfect. I've never seen anything like it because you get paid. It spurs you on to do better and to do more and to keep going because you're making money. $1,000 in one day? Are you kidding? That's awesome. And I'm so thankful for this. So thankful for what Amanda has created during this pandemic. I mean, in the few months I've been with the company, I made $5,100 and $1,000 today. Now, isn't that awesome? You know, I mean, I've been in businesses where I didn't make money till 6 or 9 months later. It took that long to get the cranked up and going, but not here, because our 7-figure earner took care of every piece of the business that needs to work. so that you don't have any problems. You're successful. Apply the training and you're in on a ride of your life. You really are. It's really incredible. And I had to share this exciting news because I'm smiling ear to ear because I have this amazing, consistent income stream, which is so important. Oh, there's my bird. Gotta love the birds. So I just appreciate you getting on and listening, and I just really recommend that you check it out. You know, get more info, check it out and see. And bye from Alaska. Thanks for watching.